The Filipino word kaya. The Filipino enclitic particle kaya is versatile and can be used in different contexts. Here are its primary uses. There are three. The first one is indicating reason or cause. This can be used to explain the reason or cause of something. It's similar to saying that's why or because in English. The second one is expressing possibility or capability. It can indicate that something is possible or that someone is capable of doing something. It's similar to saying can or be able to in English. The third one is offering suggestion or invitation. It can be used to suggest or invite someone to do something. It's similar to saying why not or how about in English. The first one is indicating reason or cause. Let us have the following example sentences. Walang ulan kaya mainit ang panahon. There's no rain, that's why the weather is hot. When we say ulan, that's rain. Wala means none or nothing, so there's no rain. Kaya mainit ang panahon. Mainit is hot, and then na panahon is the weather. Walang ulan kaya mainit ang panahon. Hindi siya pumunta, kaya naghintay kami. So, hindi means didn't, punta means come, and then hintay is wait. So, he didn't come, so we waited. Siya is gender neutral, so it's either he or she. Hindi siya pumunta, kaya naghintay kami. Nag-aral siya ng mabuti, kaya nakapasa siya sa exam. So, aral means study, and then mabuti is well or hard. Nag-aral siya ng mabuti. Pasa means to pass, and then an exam is an exam. He or she studied hard, that's why he or she passed the exam. Nag-aral siya ng mabuti, kaya nakapasa siya sa exam. Mabait siya, kaya lahat ng tao ay gusto siya. She's kind or he or she is kind, which is the reason why everyone likes him or her. Mabait means kind or good. And then a tao is a person, lahat ng tao is everyone, gusto is like. So mabait siya, kaya lahat ng tao ay gusto siya. Mabigat ang bag niya, kaya tinulungan ko siya. When we say mabigat, that means heavy. And then tulong is help. So her bag is heavy, so I helped her or him. It can also be him. Mabigat ang bag niya, kaya tinulungan ko siya. Another one is expressing possibility or capability. Kaya mong tapusin ang proyekto sa isang linggo. So, tapos means finish, and then a proyekto is a project. When we say linggo here, it refers to week, so isang linggo, 1 week. So, you can finish the project in a week. Kaya mong tapusin ang proyekto sa isang linggo. Maaari tayong pumunta sa parke kung gusto mo, kaya mo naman. So, maaari is possible, pumunta is like to go, and then a parke is a park. Gusto is like, kaya mo naman is like, if you want, you're able to. So, we can go to the park if you want, you're able to if you want. So, maaari tayong pumunta sa parke kung gusto mo, kaya mo naman. Kaya niyang magluto ng masarap na pagkain. He or she is capable of cooking delicious food. When we say luto, that means to cook. Masarap is delicious and pagkain is food. Kaya niyang magluto ng masarap na pagkain. Siguradong kaya niyang makapasa sa exam. He or she is surely capable of passing the exam. Sigurado that sure. Pasa means to pass, and then an exam is an exam. Siguradong kaya niyang makapasa sa exam. Kaya mo pang maglakad ng malayo. You can still walk a long distance. Lakad means walk, and then malayo is far. Kaya mo pang maglakad ng malayo. Last one is offering suggestion or invitation. Pumunta tayo sa sine kaya. Let's go to the movies. Why not? Or how about? Punta means to go, and then a sine is a movie. Pumunta tayo sa sine kaya? Kaya natin magtrabaho ng sabay para matapos agad. So how about we work together to finish quickly? So trabaho, that's work. Sabay is like together. And then tapos is to like end or to finish. Kaya natin magtrabaho ng sabay para matapos agad. Kumain tayo sa labas kaya? Why don't we eat outside? Kain means eat. And then labas is outside. So kumain tayo sa labas kaya? Mag-aral tayo ng grupo kaya. So let's study in a group. How about it? Aral means study. Grupo is like a group. Mag-aral tayo ng grupo. Maglakad-lakad tayo sa parke kaya. Or it can also be maglakad-lakad kaya tayo sa parke. So let's take a walk in the park. Why not? Lakad means walk and then parke sa park. Maglakad-lakad tayo sa parke kaya. And that is all about the Filipino particle kaya. If you learned something new, please don't forget to subscribe. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video.